Alright, thought I'd show these two babies today. Give you a sense of the turrets and how they change and the sound. The one close to you is the SH-4 and one farther back is the EP-4. So this is what the SH-4 looks like, sounds like. Very distinct clicks. And a good solid zero stop, which I've got set. But it's very easy to feel every single one. If you close your eyes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right there, right on 16. So it's very tactile. You know exactly where it is. The other one, EP-4, is even louder and it's a little tighter in between the clicks because it's 10 mils per rotation, but this is how it sounds. So you can hear. It's very distinct. Again, you can close your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There we are, 17. So, as for turrets they're pretty damn good for the money of the scope. So, trying to get out to shoot, but I'll have to do that on the next time. Through this, throw a quick throw level on until we get some coming out. But and if you can tell here, I put an orange marking there so you can easily see it. It actually had a recessed area, but mine wasn't painted in, so I throw a lot of fluorescent oranges on my scopes at the zeros. That's one of the reasons why I really like the zero and how they really highlight it so you can quickly see it. Because a lot of people, you just go up, if you're in a stage or a match or something, you start cranking your dope and then you take your shot, pull off the rifle and come back. A lot of times you can forget that it's not set on zero. So anything you got for quick reminders, like even where the nut is for the quick zero stop reset, that's a marker too. So between those two, you should never lose your zero, or you should never not be aware where your zero is unless you went, full 10, 11 rotations on this one and over more than 6. But this one you probably won't because it's a 14 power, as much. Anyway, that's it for now. Anyway, here's the two scopes side to side. Going to more of the features this time. The ocular end, the eyepiece, you can feel she moves pretty well, but she stays pretty well too, so which is good. I like to, this one might be a hair tighter, but I've had this a little longer. But they're both tight, stay where they want to be, and once you get them there, it'll pretty well stay. A lot of times I'll put a witness mark, with a permanent marker right underneath there once I've set it up for my eyeballs. That way I know, just at a quick glance that I look at it, if I'm wearing Butler caps, sometimes I'll mark it on the outside of the Butler cap, same point. So I know it's set inside, put the cap on and I get a mark and I can just quickly look. And a lot of times the Butler caps will keep it from moving even more. And if you got a Butler cap that's got the button, you can quickly reference where it is. Mag rings, this one, it's tight, but you can move it with your hand. Again, I'd like to get a throw level for this one, and we got them in the works. Anarchy's working on right now. This one I put on a quick coaster, the poor man's throw lever, but it works really good for what you need. You get plenty of. The EP-4 is a little tighter on the mag ring right now, but both of these are fairly new, so it takes a while for them to really work. Again, we talked about turrets again, move well. On the EP-4, the main difference here is the parallax does not have any markings. It's just got a big gradation kind of out to infinity, you know, being the bigger number. It'd be nice that they could, you know, maybe indicate where they are in the future, and make it maybe general so you're still focused to look at it. On the SH, it is gradated out, which is good, but you should always set your parallax based on what you're looking at, and you know, fine tune it in the field. The markings are good because it gets you in the general area. So, and it's a quick look up field view again, like the big zero. If you're moving from stage to stage and you know you're going from, say, a 300-yard shot to, you know, 1,000, you take a quick eyeball and you know, whoa, you should be doing this before as you go into stages anyway. But that's something to be thinking about regardless. Sunshades, I only have this sunshade on this one right now. Got one for this one too. That's a nice benefit of these. It comes with them, but I don't think you really need it on the 14 mag model. I'll just do a swing around here so you can kind of see them a little bit better. Up on top. 6x24s will be coming up pretty soon, so that should be interesting to see what they look like. And I can't really take a shot with this, but the glass looks pretty good when you're looking through them. And I'll try to get a shot of that in the near future here for you guys. But anyway, that is the Arken optics that are out right now.